So disabled students, we know, find it more challenging to enter the higher education environment, and we also know that the disabled student journey is problematic at different stages, and our service aims to provide support for students through the range of challenges that they face. For instance, we know that disabled students find it difficult to access higher education, that the costs of being in higher education are higher for disabled students, and that there is a higher attrition rate. We also know that students find it more difficult once they're here at Exeter to continue from their first year into their second year, and we also know that it's more challenging for students with a disability to get a good honours degree. And crucially, we also know that students, when they leave the university, find it more difficult to get employment, and therefore our service tries to support students throughout all of these challenges and to make sure that they can succeed at the University of Exeter. Wellbeing services provide a range of support for students. First of all, we can meet with the student to discuss with them the support that the government will provide financially for their journey throughout higher education. The financial support will entitle students to a range of services. This includes equipment and provisions. It also includes provision of human support if the student has a particular disability requiring that particular support. We also discuss with students the provision of what we call an individual learning plan, and the learning plan is really advice to college staff on how to support that particular student with their particular disabilities in the learning environment.